Imagine turning back the clock and shedding years off your appearance. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we're turning that dream into a reality. Dive in with us as we unveil the 5 essential steps to rejuvenate your skin and embrace a younger, more vibrant you. The skin, your body's largest organ, requires consistent care. Daily cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are the pillars of a good skincare routine. These steps help to remove impurities, balance skin's pH, and provide necessary hydration respectively. And let's not forget the importance of sun protection. Applying SPF daily is your best defense against premature aging caused by harmful UV rays. But hydration doesn't just stop at your skin. It's equally important to hydrate from within. Drinking plenty of water each day is a must. It helps flush out toxins, improves skin elasticity, and can even help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. With your skin taken care of and your body well hydrated, you're on your way to a younger appearance. Now that we've covered skincare and hydration, let's dive into the next age-defying secrets: exercise and nutrition. Regular movement doesn't just keep your body fit, it also works wonders for your skin. Exercise increases blood flow, stimulating collagen production and giving your skin a healthy glow. So lace up those sneakers and find a routine you love. Your body and your skin will thank you. And let's not forget about the importance of a balanced diet. Nourishing your body with foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals is a surefire way to keep your skin looking youthful. Think leafy greens, berries, and fish. But remember, it's not just about what you add in, it's also about what you limit. Sugar and processed foods can accelerate the aging process, so do your best to keep these to a minimum. Remember, what you do for your body and what you put into it directly affect how young you look. We've covered skincare, hydration, exercise, and nutrition. Now let's explore the final age-defying secret: a positive mindset. You see, stress can wreak havoc on your appearance. It can lead to wrinkles, dull skin, and even hair loss. That's why it's so important to maintain a positive mindset for a youthful appearance. Think of positivity as the ultimate beauty product. It doesn't come in a bottle, but it's just as potent. When you're positive, you're relaxed. That relaxation can help reduce the appearance of stress lines and give your face a more youthful look. But how can one maintain a positive mindset? It's all about self-care and relaxation techniques. Take time out for yourself. Read a book, take a walk, meditate. Surround yourself with positivity, be it positive people or positive thoughts. A happy mind translates to a youthful glow, completing our 5 secrets to looking 10 years younger. So there you have it, 5 secrets to looking 10 years younger. Let's quickly recap. First, lavish some love on your skin with a regular cleansing, toning, and moisturizing routine. And don't skimp on the SPF. Next, remember to hydrate. Drink water like it's going out of style. Third, get moving and shaking with an exercise routine that puts a spring in your step and a glow on your skin. Fourth, fuel your body with a diet brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. And remember, less is more when it comes to sugar and processed foods. And finally, embrace the power of positivity. Stress less, smile more, and take time for self-care. Implement these tips and watch the years roll away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. We'll see you next time.